For me, I felt like it was an awesome experience. Theater, it helps us to get involved in this production helps us get involved in all types of different genres, comedy, drama, you name it. But as for the music, I can't hear, so I was trying to figure out what to do with it. It was kind of a risk, and I decided to take it. So I jumped right in. It stretched me as an actor. It really did. I mean, it was like good exercise mentally and for my soul and for my body. Just kind of stretched me as a total person. It's a lot more than just an opera or just a sign language production. Together, the thing grows and it becomes more exhilarating, fun to watch.